Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified P1 2018 GLS 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has the appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, illuminated star on the grille, an espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior, panorama sunroof, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, park keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 34,024 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.